The father of the Internet is Vint Cerf, the inventor of the World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee, which is the news search engine introduced by Rediff.com in 2012. Real-time news search. Where was the first computer installed in India? Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. In Internet terminology, IP means Internet Protocol. The first page of a website is called home page. It is a small piece of text stored on a user's computer by a web browser for maintaining the state. What we are talking about? Cookie. Which company is nicknamed Big Blue? IBM. The standard protocol of the Internet is answer TCP/IP. The first web-based email service answer Hotmail. Father of computers answer Charles Babbage 1822. Father of the personal computer answer Henry Edward Roberts 1974. The first laptop or portable computer answer IBM 5100. The first Apple computer answer Steve Wozniak 1976. Father of the Java programming language answer James Gosling. Who is credited with creating the first camera phone sharing pictures instantly on public networks? Answer Philip Kahn. iPad is manufactured by answer Apple. Which IT company got name from San Francisco? Answer Cisco. Connecting people is the tagline of answer Nokia. What is IMEI? Answer International Mobile Equipment Identity. What is eGine? Answer Electronic Magazines. What is the expansion of ASCII? ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Who developed the first portable computer? Adam Osborne. What is NIC? Answer Network Interface Card. What is a blog? Online journals and diaries. What is NISG? National Institute of Smart Governance. GPS was developed by US Army. Expansion in microsystem. Stanford University Network. What is cyberbullying? Threatening through internet. CyberCheck is software developed by answer CDAC. What is three-finger salutes? Pressing Ctrl Alt Delete. In which year Microsoft Office was launched? Answer 1989. Who invented compact disc? Answer James T. Russell. Which day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? Answer December 2nd. Longhorn was the code name of answer Windows Vista. Who is known as the human computer of India? Answer Shakuntala Devi. What is the extension of PDF? Answer: portable document format. Expand or DBMS, Relational Database Management System. World's first microprocessor is. Answer: Intel 4004. What is SQL? Answer: Standard Query Language. What is the expansion of COBOL? Answer: Common Business Oriented Language. What is the expansion of SMS? Answer: Short Message Service. Email was developed by. Answer: Raymond Samuel Tomlinson. What is scareware? Answer: Fake antivirus softwares. When was the first smartphone launched? Answer: 1992 IBM Simon. Full form of ACL. Answer: Access Control List. Full form of API. Answer: Application Program Interface. Full form of ARS. Address Resolution Protocol. Full form of ALU. Answer: Arithmetic Logic Unit. Full form of ADC. Answer: Analog to Digital Converter. If you like this video, please share, like, comment. Thank you for watching.